Crafty Diamond. I hope that everyone is doing well. I am really excited today to share an unboxing with you from a new company that is from the US, and they actually ship from the US. So that is definitely a plus for me anyway. I ordered this kit last Wednesday and it actually came in on Monday. So that was one of the fastest deliveries that I've gotten with diamond painting. And I also wanted to share with you that I am now an affiliate with this company. If you would like 15% off an order, you can see my code underneath the description. You can just enter that underneath the code whenever you go to checkout, and then you will be able to save a little bit of money. This is by Painting Shoppe, and it's S-H-O-P-P-E, so it's a little bit different spelling. It also is copyrighted for some of their kits. This one doesn't necessarily have to be copyrighted because of the age, but it does support their artists with every purchase. It says that on their box, so that's definitely a plus. On the back side, it tells you what all is included with the kit, and also it gives you a short description of what diamond painting is. I think we all know that, or we wouldn't be here. And then it also will tell you how to diamond paint if you've never diamond painted before. And then it does give you information about, copyright, and then how the copyright does belong to the respective owner. And so that's what I always look for before I even consider a purchase with anyone. I really like the box. It's very colorful, and this will show that this came from Diamond Painting Shoppe. So if I order more than one, which I am sure that I will, then I can look at the box and easily see when it's on my shelf that I know what company that came from. So I like that as well. The one that I actually have gotten is large. It is Summer 1898 by Alphonse Mucha, and I really like the work of this artist. It's very colorful. The rendering is very good. It is a 50 by 120 centimeters, or that's actually 19.7 inches by 47.2 inches. And it doesn't sound like as much when you're thinking of inches, but when you're looking at centimeters, or you're just looking at the actual canvas itself, you know it's a large one. The box doesn't really look that large, and so I was a little misled. I thought, well, maybe it's not as large as I thought that it was, and then whenever I opened it, yes, it is going to be that large. So I'm going to do the unboxing next, and I hope that you enjoy this new company. I'm so glad that we do have a new company that we can shop with. And next up will be me opening the box. I'm going to slowly roll this out for you because it is too long for my desk, but this is a very thick canvas. It is very soft, and it does have the scalloped edges on all sides. That way it will not ravel. And the opaque cover, it is a thicker plastic than what I'm used to, so that will be really nice to cover the area that I'm not working in. And I'm going to roll this out for you, but if you can see, her hair's in a bun, and she's holding flowers, and there's going to be quite a bit of color blocking in this, along with some confetti, but it's not going to be as much as I'm used to. But again, it is a large one, so I'm going to slowly roll it out. I will have a photo for you to see. At the end, you'll be able to see all of it. But we're slowly able to see her dress. It does have a little bit of wrinkling. There's not any rivers or any problems with the canvas itself. I just need to let it lay flat for a little bit, and I think it will be fine. There is a legend on both sides. We have a legend on the bottom right as well as the top left, which I really won't need since I will kit up using my own bags. It does come with the actual stickers here. They are really small, and they're not already perforated. I can just cut them. Some of the containers that I have are small anyway, so I will be able to use these. And then it has a picture of what the finished canvas is going to look like, and I'll put that with my drills, or I may put that in my logbook. I'm not sure yet, but definitely will have this information in my logbook. That'll be really important for me. The drills are round, and they do look really good. I'm not going to open all of these, but there are 2 ABs in here, and here's a white AB, and then there's also a pink one. I just saw it on this side. So there's a pink one there that's really pretty, kind of a baby pink. All the drills do look really good, and it may go faster since it is around. It did come with the toolkit. This is your typical toolkit, but except it does have tweezers in it, and that's kind of unusual because usually you only receive tweezers for the squares and not the rounds, but that's always nice. I can always use extra tweezers. And then it has a squishy, it has your wax, and then it has a small boat and then a pen to use for diamond painting if you don't have your own. It also came with 2 rolls of washi. There's a really pretty pink, like pink and gold washi here. And then there's another one that actually goes with this canvas. And it has purple flowers, pink flowers, and even green. So that's going to be really pretty as well. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to work on this one. I would love to start on this one. That's the only issue with me in unboxing. When I see new kits, I want to stop and start immediately. And I just have too many that are in my work in progress pile. And it is getting to be a pile, or I should say a stack. It's not really a pile, but it's a stack. I am going to be working on March soon. I have 3 groups that I'm working in March for different events. And that's going to be a lot of fun, but it's going to take up a lot of time. So I'm going to be focusing on one of my work in progress that actually I will start on March the 1st. And hopefully I will get that done. It's probably going to take me until April the 30th or longer. And I will have those on my whip and chat, which I plan on doing this week. And you'll be able to see some progress on that as I move forward. But I definitely want to work on this one. I'm not sure if I would be able to do this on a whip and chat or not because of how big that it is. But I might be able to just do one small section and then just show you how far that I've gotten. But again, this one is really pretty. I cannot wait to start on her. And I hope that you enjoyed seeing this one as well, especially from a new company. And until next time, take it easy, everybody.